Today we're making the trellises for the cucumber plants to grow on. And we have some bamboo, and Bellen's husband is doing this. This is a big, long piece of bamboo. That's a Bellen has a for real nipa hut here. This is her house. So Bellen and her husband have been hard at work, and they put bamboo for all these plants to climb on. Some of them still need to be tied. They need to be tied up here so that if there's a high wind, they won't get blown over. We haven't lost any other plants right now to crabs. The crabs so far haven't eaten any of the plants, but you never know with them. It could happen any time. Hopefully it won't, but so I guess this is the last video I'll do about these these cucumbers for a little while. Probably be a week before I do another video about these cucumbers, because they need to start growing up on this trellis, and then after that I'll have something interesting to show about it.